Back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is about home decor. So this is the inspiration picture I want to create, but I actually don't want to buy more things. So this is my side table, and I have a small side table as well, but they both were dark colors and my walls were dark, so they are not standing up. So this is I come up with, so I obviously did the first part first and on the top one, and I really liked it, and then I did all of them. So I'm gonna just show you how I did that paper. It's a little bit difficult on the wood, so I will show you how I was able to achieve this look, but I really like it. It looks very nice actually in real life. So I got this paper from Amazon, and it was very, I think it was easier in glass than in wood, because in glass if you have a card or anything, you can like push it very nicely, as you can see me doing here. As for wood, if you try to do that, it start breaking up. So this is my first attempt doing it, and it wasn't that bad, but I still have some bubbles left. I think my second attempt on glass was much better, and as you can see me doing it, is a peel off one I got from Amazon. I will put a link for you guys below. The thing I like it is it's not very white, and it's not too like marbly as well, so it was in the middle. As some I seen, which is obviously it wasn't looking that good, so I chose this one because I really want white to show up as well. So I was peeling a little bit, and then I start smoothing with my card. I will show you another method later on, because obviously I did 4 pieces of glass, and I actually figure out a bit better on the end, that rather than doing with the card, if you try to have a big cloth, it actually goes very nicely, especially in glass. Obviously I can't say about other things, but in glass and wood, try to, I think, do the big cloth. And you can see I have some extra edges, you can cut them off as well. And but later in the other glass, when I was doing, I find out you can just literally fold them over, because you can't see them from the other side at all. So I think, you know, you don't need to cut. But can you see me doing the smoothing here as well? So I just literally roll it over, and it was looking very nice as well. So this is my first piece done, and after that I have a small side table which was wood, and that is very dark, same color as my sofas. So you hardly see this because of the height as well. So I tried to start on that with my card, but it wasn't working because it was keep getting scratched, and it was making holes, and it was very uneven. So I learned after doing this side table that I should have a big cloth, because it's a wood and it's quite uneven as well. So it was very hard doing with it. I made a lot of mistake in this table. I think, as you can see, I had a lot of bubbles, and when you try to smooth them, it was not going according to plan. So what I decided to do, I only did on the front and on the top. I haven't touched the side of them, because I really want to just break the color. So you can see the side tables. I'm just refurnishing like everything, so I still have a lot of work to do. I still have to put a skating board on the behind wall, so sorry about that. But yeah, here you can see me. So this is my first table finished look. I really liked it. It looked very nice, and you can see it from far, especially when the lights are on. So I was very happy with that. So I decided to do the second one. So in here you will see me using a cloth, because I think that's the best thing I came up, especially when you're doing wood. Even on the glass as well, it actually takes the bubble out, but it doesn't disturb the paper, because it's very delicate paper. I won't say too delicate, but I do still make some mistakes, because this table is not fully straight. It go up and down, so when you're trying to cut it, sometimes you cut a little bit more, as you can see me. So in here I have knob off, and I'm just putting the paper in the front as well. Same thing, I have a cloth, and I'm just gonna push with that. And this one actually was much better compared to my first one. It only took me about 5 minutes, I will say maximum 10, to do this full table. and I actually really like it because that one had so many mistakes. Because it's a white color, you can't see. So after doing that, I literally open the drawer, and you can fold it over as well. But you can have a cutter and you literally cut. If you have a sharp cutter, it will cut within 1 second, and then you put the knob back and that's fully ready. So this is how I done it, but I actually really like it. Sometimes it's nice to, you know, do the old one. So this is how I was looking before, and then I decided to do the second panel as well. So after that, obviously it's giving more lighter effect now. But I tell you, this is 2 side tables. So I have one side table which you seen is a wood one. It was actually very small, and I have Chesterfield sofas, so you can't actually see the side table. So what I did is that I bought from IKEA, and that one was too plain for me, for my taste. And because of my son, he got autism, I don't put too many glass things, so I couldn't decorate that one. So what I did is that I had them inside each other, so it looks like a new kind of side table, but actually it's 2 side tables. I just want to let you guys know. So see, in here I cut it. If you have a sharp knife, you can cut it very nicely. So see, this is the second, and you have the top and bottom done. So I thought that looked more nicer than, you know, before, and actually make my room quite lighter, even if it has both walls dark. I will do a room tour for you guys. I had so many videos, but it's just so much time to edit, and sometimes I realize I make so many mistakes when I'm actually doing the editing, so it's too late for me to go back and do it. So this is how it turned up in the end. I actually really like it. It's very similar to the picture I have. The only part is that the shelving are very far from each other. So but this is the end result. Hopefully you like my video. Like, share and comment if you want to see more home decor. I will see you in my next video. Thank you.